Hello.
Hi. Excuse me. I would like to have you do something before we start the class. Would you greet each other and ask some simple questions to your friends, like a small talk? So would you like to have a small talk with your friends before we start the class? Do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so anyone can ask everybody. Okay, so just in turn, okay, and enjoy, have a small talk first, ask how are you, or what did you do, how was your day, and everything. Okay, please do. You can have your camera on if you don't mind. I will have mine on few minutes later.
Okay, Miss. Hello, Mr. Fitra. How are you today?
Good, Mr. Valentino. How are you?
Good, good. And what the activity for today? Yes. Do you have activity for today? Job
Activity?
or something?
Sleep morning until evening, just working.
Just working.
Yes.
Busy of work.
Huh?
Yeah, busy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seems like me. Busy. Working. Yeah. Just arrived in my sweet home.
Huh? Are you at home?
Yeah, at home.
Usually, every class I see you at the office.
Oh, now in the office.
Now you in office?
No, I just arrived in my home.
Oh, Miss Hilda.
Hi. Hello. Hello guys, how are you?
Yes, good.
Nice. Great, Miss Hilda.
Mr. Olivia.
Olivia, hungry.
I'm hungry.
Okay. What are you doing now, Mr. Olivia? Miss Olivia, sorry.
I'm at home.
Yes. But it is you are eat. What is?
I'm eat apple.
Oh.
Diet today.
Hello Ica. Hello Mr. Saifullah.
Loading.
Oh. Hello, Miss Hilda. Hello, guys.
Are you in the road?
Oh, I'm home.
Oh.
Okay, thank you. So next time, starting from today, and next time you will always greet your friends, and you can also ask your friends, you can also ask them their activities today, whether it is a hectic day or it was a fun day. Okay, so maybe you can also share one moment to your friends. For example, let's say Miss Olivia has got a special moment to tell or to share with friends. Okay, so you can tell, you can always be narcissist, even it might not be important for other people, but you practice speaking and there is nothing wrong to share one of your activities of the day. Okay. All right, anyway, thank you for greeting each other. It's time for us to start the class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh. Good evening,
Good evening.
Miss.
Good evening, Miss.
All right, like usual, let's pray together. May God grant ease for all of us. Let's pray together. Okay, so let's continue the previous lesson. Let's continue. We were talking about a video. Okay, we watched a video a few days ago, and I was asking you to discuss with your friends in different breakout rooms. Okay, and today I actually would like to have you present, but let me ask you first whether you are ready or not. Listen to me. Barusan saya bilang, let me ask you whether, apa artinya? Let me ask you whether you are ready or not. Apa artinya?
Izinkan saya.
Izinkan saya.
Apakah kalian sudah siap atau belum?
Oh, great, great, great. So you have already been accustomed to listening or hearing the word whether. Good job. Jadi whether di tengah-tengah kalimat artinya apakah. Saya juga bisa pakai if. Artinya sama apakah. Let me ask you whether you are ready or not. So, are you ready for the presentation? We will talk further about the video. Make sure, or I can say unsure, make sure artinya sama dengan unsure, make membuat, sure yakin, tapi kalau meyakinkan atau pastikan, yakinkan, ada satu kata, tulisannya ENSURE. Saya mengeja pakai bahasa Indonesia karena di kelas ini belum saya ajarin untuk mengeja bahasa Inggris, ya. It's okay. So ensure that you know the story of the video. If you have not prepared yet, kalau Anda belum menyiapkan, if you have not prepared, prepared pakai verb 3. Oke. Kalau Anda belum menyiapkan, tadi bahasa Inggrisnya bagaimana? Kalau
If you're not prepared.
Not prepared yet.
diulangi, Mr. Valentino dulu, so.
If you're not prepared.
Oke, Mr. Fitra, bagaimana kalau Anda belum menyiapkan?
If you're not prepared yet.
Oke, ditambahi have. Jadi kalau ngomong, dicatat ya, kalau mau ngomong sudah, itu pakai have atau has, tergantung subjeknya, diikuti oleh kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Oke, have diikuti bentuk ketiga. Contohnya, saya sudah menyiapkan. I have prepared. Kalau misalnya mau ngomong belum, tinggal menambahkan not setelah have. I have not. Silakan diulangi, Mr. Valentino. Kalau Anda belum menyiapkan.
I have not prepared.
Kalau Anda belum menyiapkan. Jika Anda belum. Bahasa Inggrisnya bagaimana?
If you have not prepared.
Good job. Boleh dikasih yet di belakang. Silakan.
If
Mr.
you
Fitra. Okay, sorry. Please do, Mr. Valentino. Yes.
if you have not prepared yet.
Good job, Mr. Fitra. You can also tell me how you say it in English.
Sorry, Miss.
You
Can
can
you
also
try?
make the same sentence in English. Kalau Anda belum menyiapkan.
If you have not prepared yet.
Very good. So if you have not prepared yet, pokoknya kan nanti kalau saya bilang have, ada kata kerja ketiga, berarti artinya sudah. Kalau ada not-nya, oh berarti ini ngomong belum nih. Oke? Pelan-pelan kita perbaiki structure-nya. Oke? So even if you have not prepared yet, okay, you can still present. You can still tell me the story individually. Okay, individually. Apa artinya individually?
Masing-masing.
Iya, masing-masing atau perorangan atau secara individu. Okay, take your time. Even the story is short, but it's full. It represents the video. That it's fine. If you want to speak a bit longer, as it also represents the video, that'll be great. Okay, I'm waiting for you to tell me if you are ready. Oh, hang on, it's Azan here. Let us have a break in a while. Okay. Are you ready, guys? So who will be the first one? Come on. There will be 3 activities we will do today. First, a presentation. Second, Q&A with Q&A among friends. And then later, Q&A with a native speaker, inshallah. Come on. Let's give it a try. Who will be the first one?
Ini sendiri-sendiri dulu, Miss.
Yes, dong. So you present individually. Come on. It will not take longer, I believe, because the story is simple one.
Aku dulu, Miss.
I will be the first one to present.
I will be the first one to present.
Okay, one more time. Who will present first?
Who will present first?
No. I'm asking you who will present first.
I will present first today.
Okay. I will present first. I will be the one to present first. Both are correct. Okay, let me put you on a big screen as a speaker. All right, time is yours.
In video, I think it's a misunderstanding of other people who immediately judge bad people.
That's all?
I think finish, Miss.
That's all. Okay, no problem. Thank you. That's how you I would say that's how you highlighted the information from the video. All right. Anyway, thank you. Who will be the next one, please? It's okay. Some tell the video shortly, and some may tell the story on the video a bit longer. So it's up to you whenever, as long as you feel comfortable, okay? And Alivia, while waiting for the others to present, what you can do next is prepare questions for your friends and for native speaker. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Yes. Okay. All right, who will be the next one, please? I hope you will not waste your time. I hope there will be no long silence. Yeah. Hold on.
This meeting is being recorded.
Let me put you on a big screen. All right. Please do, Miss Icha.
Okay, Miss. I will try. Oke. Tapi panjang nggak apa-apa, Miss?
It's okay. Take your time.
A man was ordering pizza and accidentally bumped into another man who wanted to order pizza too. The man who was hit calling him, and then man apologized, but after the waiters broke the pizza, the man who was hit immediately ate the pizza, and the man who hit him also joined eating pizza because actually the pizza that the waiters delivered just now was the order of the man who bumped into him, and the man who was hit was calling him because he ate the last piece of the pizza. Then the waiters delivered the pizza that the man ordering, and then man realized that the pizza he had just eaten was the man's pizza that hit him. Then the man shared his pizza and apologized for his action and misunderstanding.
Thank you. That was a complete story. That's great. Thank you, Miss Icha. And let me help fix or correct few for your pronunciation of few vocabularies. Okay? Coba ikuti saya langsung ya. Ayo, silakan ikuti saya. Apologize.
Apologize.
Immediately.
Immediately.
All right. Delivered. Bumped into him.
Bumped
into him. Bumped ada T-nya dikit. Bumped into
him.
Good. Realize. Eaten. Good job. kosakata baru sudah ditulis di mana, di buku khusus untuk kosakata? Coba tunjukkan mana buku kosakatanya. Show me. Ada nggak buku kosakatanya? Ada apa enggak?
Ada
Buku
Miss, tapi
khusus
baru
untuk
dikit.
kosakata. Oke, silakan ditulis semua kosakata yang menurut Anda baru ya. Oke, kita nabung kosakata, koleksi kosakata. Alright. Nanti dibuktikan apakah kosakata yang ditulis semua itu pada akhirnya nantinya ingat semuanya, kepake semuanya. Kalau sudah bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris ya. Oke, so thank you Miss Icha. Now, who will be the next one, please? Come on. Saya ngambil nilai speaking-nya dari kegiatan kita sehari-hari, ya.
Hello, Miss. Fitra want
Yeah.
to try, Miss?
All right. Are you going to have your video on, please?
Okay.
Let me
Tell
put
story
on-
about video, yeah.
Yes, sir. Please do.
Okay, when I see about video of previous lesson, the man with the nice suit come to pizza store after homeless man. When the man sat waiting for his pizza to come, and then homeless man also sat in front of him. Some time later, the order pizza is came, and when the man with nice suit take the pizza, the homeless man to take the pizza too. In here, the man with nice suit looks a little angry, and the end at the last slice pizza, the homeless man took the pizza first, so it's make the man with nice suit so angry and insulting homeless man. When the waiters came again to give the ordered pizza, he realized the pizza he had been eating belongs to a homeless man, and he felt guilty. Finish, Miss.
Thank you. Your pronunciation was great. Let me just fix two pronunciations. I guess it will be sweet. Sweet.
Sweet.
It's almost similar to the pronunciation of the word sweet, manis. Yeah, but it's not merely
Oh.
sweet. No, not sweet, but sweet. Sweet. Something like
Sweet.
yeah.
Sweet.
And then guilty. That was great.
Guilty.
Guilty, yeah.
Guilty.
All right. So instead of using come or came, it would be great if you use the word delivered. Okay. Anyway,
Okay.
it's okay. Thank
Okay.
you, Mr. Fitra. Miss Icha, Mr. Fitra, you can prepare questions for your friends and for Mr. Edward later on.
Okay, Miss.
All right. Do not only prepare one or two, you can prepare three maybe. All right, who will be the next one, please?
Hilda, Miss.
Okay, Miss Hilda.
But
Are you
I'm sorry, I'm used to account because my laptop is hang for
Okay.
microphone. But I'm share screen with PPT.
Okay. All right. Here we
But
go.
I'm sorry, Miss.
Yeah.
My apa namanya materi is terlalu luas apa, Miss?
It's too broad.
Yeah, it's too broad and
It's okay.
apa ya? It's
Yes,
okay, Miss.
And
Okay.
what? Okay. All right.
All right. Okay, guys, I will presentation about this video. And in video, the CEO is annoyed because the homeless takes his food and very disgusting when tearing a pizza slice, while the homeless feel like always happy to sharing the sliced pizza. And the some pick by this video, it can be concluded. Don't look people by cover and don't make assumption quickly. We don't know who someone happiness can be measured. And then in Indonesia, in restaurant or anything at the window or door has announcements, the beggars or busker or anything, no entry. And fun fact, and trending in Indonesia, many people make video to viral on YouTube and TikTok to get money or jokes. The people discuss be beggars for prank or anything to seek sympathy. And in this is in foreign. I'm reading foreign news. It is in Hyman Seafood Restaurant in US. The restaurant has allowed the homeless, beggars, or anything to allow eat in the restaurant. Even if they are giving some food like to apa sih daripada kayak buat makan nyari malam-malam gitu. And then I think the homeless, the beggars, or anything, they are a human being worthy of respect and love. Okay, and this is a question by Gamaliel Bailey. Never respect men merely for their riches, but rather for their philanthropy. We don't value the sun for its height, but for its use. Thank you.
Wow, thank you. That was superb. Thank you, Miss Hilda. Next, please, who will be the next one? Mm-hmm. Okay, who will be the next, please? Mm-hmm. Who will be the next one?
Hello, Miss.
Yes, the Saiful. Are you
Yeah,
present?
I have just arrived at my office.
Mm-hmm.
But on after on my way, I always to listening about the presentation my friend.
Thank you.
But I just little remember forget to the video. What are you able to fly again the video or not? Or I can see the another place the video.
I would suggest you to watch the video by yourself on your own. Oh, hang on. I haven't sent it to WhatsApp. Okay. Oh, I hang on. Have I already shared? So wait. Okay, let me help you. I will chat privately on your WhatsApp, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. So who will be the next one, please? Come on, don't waste your time. Are you going to present? Mm-hmm. Who will be the next one? If no one will present, okay, if there is no more students to present, then I will let you have Q&A among your friends. Okay. Mr. Valentino, are you going to present? Yes or no?
Oh, I missed. Not this time, Miss.
Okay,
Maybe
no,
later. Yeah,
okay, no
but
problem.
I prepare for the Q&A.
Okay, thank you very much for telling me. Oke ya.
Yes,
Jadi
yes.
teman-teman untuk lain kali sampaikan ke saya kalau memang mau present atau tidak, oke? Feel free to tell me, oke? Don't be afraid, ya. So mungkin Mr. Saiful juga you can watch and you can join us for the Q&A directly. Okay, you can watch first. I have already shared the video or the link on your WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm not going to, it's time for Q&A among friends, and I'm not going to involve in this Q&A. So let's say, Miss Olivia, if you have question, you don't have to point out your friends to whom you want to get answers. Okay, so anyone, if you want to answer, it will be allowed. Okay. Let have your videos on. Let me have mine off. Okay. All right. I will help monitor. Okay. Oh, by the way, I think I need to have a host and co-host. Okay ya. Di setiap diskusi in Q&A or discussion, I would love to have a host and a co-host. And this evening, let me choose the host and the co-host. For the time being, the host will be Miss Hilda and the co-host will be Miss Olivia. Oke ya. Oke. Host sama co-host wajib ceriwis ya.
Bisa.
Kita lihat apakah kita bisa nanti kalau misalnya waktu ini habis dibuat Q&A di antara teman-teman ya. Kita selesaikan dulu sampai 8:30. Kalau misalnya nanti ada sisa waktu, kita undang Mr. Edward. Mungkin ya. Let's see how it works. Come on, please don't waste your time ya. Jangan ada silence kelamaan guys. Sayang ya. Oke. Miss Host and Miss Co-host. Kalau Jadi gini, tugasnya host sama co-host harus bisa memotivasi, ya disarankan bisa memotivasi, bisa invite your friends to keep speaking actively, ya. Jadi harus bisa menstimulasi nih. Oke, ya gimana?
Apa kita tuh kayak boleh nanya salah satu, nggak maksudnya kayak penanya nih, misalkan Mr. Valentino itu harus nanya salah satu, misalkan ke Mr. Fitrah kah, atau boleh menyebar sebuah questionnya?
Questionnya untuk umum. Yang mau jawab silakan sebut nama, baru host atau co-host ACC. Kalau misalnya semuanya diem, nggak ada yang tanya, berarti co-host sama hostnya harus mengundang nih. Ayo siapa yang mau jawab nih, gitu. Jadi kelas itu jangan pasif, jangan diem, ya. Jadi kayak seolah-olah harus dipaksa menjawab, ya. Maaf ya. Jadi mungkin distimulasi dengan pertanyaan simpel gitu. Boleh pakai bahasa Inggris campur bahasa Indonesia enggak apa-apa karena ini awal-awal ya. Oke, kalau syukur-syukur bisa full bahasa Inggris itu lebih baik. Oke. Usahakan semua rata bicara ya. Minimal satu pertanyaan dijawab oleh 3 atau 4 atau semuanya menjawab juga boleh because different head, different perspective. Oke.
Ya.
Saya
Nggak lancar Miss bahasa Inggrisnya, Miss.
Nggak apa-apa.
Berarti boleh jawab juga ya, Miss ya? Boleh nanya juga?
Boleh dong. Host sama co-host itu bebas. Mau nanya, mau jawab, mau kasih feedback berulang kali boleh. Ya. Pakai bahasa Inggris. Oke. Saya pantau dari sini ya. Oke. Ayo yang
Oke. Miss, bentar. Miss Hilda, do you have any question for today?
I think the people in here to want the first to be asking, not me. Okay, guys, who wants to ask the first?
Halo, Miss Hilda.
Waduh.
Okay. First, I want to confirm to you about slide 3. It's in Indonesia, like homeless man cannot enter a store, right?
Yes.
Okay. A question for all. What do you think about that? Padahal homeless man can pay to his order. What he still cannot enter store?
Can you pardon briefly?
Okay. In Indonesian, like homeless man cannot enter store.
Yeah.
But how if he can pay his order?
Oh.
What he still can't enter store? Apakah masih tetap nggak boleh masuk?
Okay. Ini kenapa hostnya ditanya deh?
Iya.
No. Just not for you only. First, I confirm to you about slide in presentation, but question for all.
Okay.
All of us.
Okay.
Do you need help for the answer? That's question, Miss Hilda.
Who wants to answer?
Yes, who wants to answer?
Yeah, I
my
want
question.
to try the answer the question, Mr. Fitra. The homeless have money for pay. That's right.
Sorry.
Can entry or not?
Yes.
Yeah, I think in Indonesia, in our country, there's owner store see the situation like nilai dari covernya sih menurut aku. Jadi so the first impression for the person think like baju jelek atau like homeless is cannot to enter the store. I think that's one. Then if the homeless one have punya pandangan atau dia punya pandangan buat mau beli barang, ya dia mesti bilang dulu gitu menurut aku kalau di store Indo. Dan we have a security like in a mall store, yeah. So cannot entry for the homeless in our country. I think that's all.
Okay, from your answer, tadi first cover ya?
Yeah.
But
First
is the same like discrimination?
Yes, I think that's discrimination, but yeah, the real fact in our country, the homeless must tell, oh, I have money for pay that equipment or pay that item, but first impression owner store make him cannot pay that the item. I think that's.
And in Indonesia we prioritize penampilan dulu nggak sih? Kalau when you buy some barang gitu.
Yeah, true.
Yes. Setuju.
I will continue the answer. I think the beggars are homeless. They are showing his money to buy.
Yeah, the good way.
Seller, right? Iya nggak sih?
Is right.
Iya, benar-benar untuk meyakinkan gitu. And then they are tell what the buying gitu kan. Mereka mau beli apa gitu. How about Miss Icha? Do you agree? Microphone is off.
Menurut aku ya kayak we have to look neat lah, terus kayak stylenya tuh oke gitu, baru dilayanin.
Okay.
Yeah, agree.
Complete from my question, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, next question.
Mr. Fitra. Sorry, saya pelita yang ngomong. Mr. Fitra, are you satisfied with the question?
Sorry.
Puaskah dengan pertanyaan Anda?
Puas banget.
Okay, next.
Next
Who is the
question.
second? Yeah. Who is the next question?
Yes, I have a question.
Oh, all right. Okay, Miss Alifi. Miss Icha, sorry.
What so employees in a restaurant do when there is a commotion in the restaurant?
Can you repeat the question?
Oh, okay.
Our Indonesia.
Ya, Indonesia. Indonesia.
Kayak apa yang harus dilakuin pelayan gitu, pelayan restoran saat restorannya ada keributan gitu, atau ada masalah.
Okay. Who is the answer, please?
Ya. Mr. Valentino,
I think
Mr.
I
Fitra.
I think the rules by apa namanya yang di itu yang viral Karen's dinner.
Oh,
Right.
Karen's
Okay.
dinner.
Dinner.
So bad.
It's viral.
What sold the waiters? Okay. Wait.
And Karen dinners too much angry. Gak jelas. Many people gak jelas. Hello.
Hello.
Lanjut.
About question Miss Ica about how to stop keributan in store, right?
Is right.
I think the employee of store or maybe like waiters should to give seperti peringatan if the customer something duit seperti ramen keributan yang membuat other customer terganggu gitu, seperti peringatan, attention. But sometimes condition in store the just one employee, maybe in the video just one waitress, then she cannot to handle situation. But I think waiters while mengantar order, she must to say who's this order. So that make a misunderstanding.
I agree with your opinion because maybe it can annoy other people, and in video it look like the waiters doesn't care.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes.
Okay, I will try conclusion for the question. I think the role of the waiters is very important. When the restaurant is comfortable, the customer things will come back, right? Ya nggak sih, ketika restoran itu kayak
Yes.
nyaman, akan membuat customer itu akan balik lagi ke situ gitu.
Berpengaruh ya.
Ya.
And then the sold to the waiters, I think, call the security, and that's it. The clear situation. I think so.
Oke, lanjut.
The
Next.
next question.
Mr. Valentino, you want to ask? Yeah.
Oh, okay. I have one question about the Miss Hilda presentation before the last presentation. And wait. Yeah, the presentation try to showing the situation in our country about homeless. Then yeah, I want to hear from your guys what your opinion about the how to be impact for another people, like this situation for the homeless people. What should we do for them? Thank you. Are you get it? The question, guys?
Yes, I got it.
Okay.
Can we hold this question or next? Miss Olivia.
Wait a minute.
Okay, I want to answer Mr. Valentino. Pertanyaan kayak impact ya ke kita, gitu kan? I think ketika terkadang homeless, beggars, or anything make me disgusting. Apa ya, kayak annoyed, kadang bikin ganggu gitu kan. But they are a human. They are being worthy to respect and love.
Oh yes. Sorry, Miss Hilda. What should we do for them or impact for us? But what should we do for homeless people?
Menganggap tidak remeh apa ya?
Misalkan apa yang kita bisa lakuin gitu bila ketemu mereka.
Take it lightly, menganggap tidak remeh, I think.
Right.
And then I don't give a home. Ya, mungkin menganggap tidak remeh mereka aja, karena mereka juga manusia. Mereka juga to be respect, love, and the same with we are.
Yeah. So should we give them money or?
I think when we are give a money, it's not be good for the answer, because in Indonesia, because our homeless I don't know, but ada satu kampung yang memang it's many beggars, apa ya, datang di satu kampungnya itu they are rich, mereka kaya gitu. Tapi in country Jakarta mereka yang menjadi pengemis kayak gitu.
Yes, I see.
Yeah,
Banyak sih
yeah,
yang kayak gitu.
true. Yeah, I heard that.
Maybe they also have the right to feel sama gitu, sama kayak kita.
Yeah.
Maybe we can help them and give them money, little.
Yeah. Yeah, true. I agree.
Mr. Valentino, when you are see the beggars or homeless or anything, what are you doing? Apa kamu ngasih duit apa gimana gitu? How your response?
Response the homeless tell me first or ngajak ngomong pertama gitu ya, I can give them my argument or my condition, talk dulu lah pertama sama mereka. Ya misalkan mereka meminta first, ya ask the money first, ya I can give the money, I think. But yeah, it's true. Not money first can we give them, but if they ask to us for money, yeah, maybe I can give them. Thank you.
But in Bandung, they also something look stronger. Jadi kalau kita ngasih money, jadi kebiasaan. In Bandung sih kayak gitu.
I'm agree with you are, but in my life when the beggars, young beggars, yang orang apa sih yang pengemis muda gitu kan, apa ya, ada rasa kesel lah biasanya ngeliat kayak hello, ayo younger gitu, kayak kamu tuh bisa kerja kali gitu kan. Ada rasa pengen ngomong
Raja susah.
I have a condition which traffic lamp, some people pregnant, hamil pregnant ya, benar ya, pregnant, and I merasa iba, then I give money, but next day, maybe 2-3 days,
the vegan is gone.
Yes.
And banyak di flyover.
In Jakarta.
That make we too hati-hati.
Yeah.
To give money.
Carefully.
Yeah, careful.
In Jakarta. Friday, hari Jumat itu diidentifikasikan dengan apa namanya?
Jumat berkah.
Jumat berkah. It's have banyak banget yang orang tuh ngasih makanan for to masjid gitu kan, or on the road, banyak yang di jalan juga, and always apa ya, kayak aku suka memperhatikan mereka gitu, dan selalu kayak ngelihat kok orangnya itu lagi, and then the place it's the same, orangnya itu lagi, tempat yang sama, waktu yang sama, bahkan kayaknya aku sampai hafal gitu, dia bawa 2 anak sedang hamil, for menarik simpati gitu kan. Nggak tahu kenapa saya tuh nggak respect banget dengan dengan kata-kata yang kesian, gimana gimana. Khususnya yang younger beggars. To old beggars, I don't know. Banyak juga yang kayak dia disuruh sama anaknya for dapat uang gitu kan. Banyak juga yang disiksa kayak gitu.
Iya.
But government make a rule to give money for homeless is the crime, is the tindakan bersalah gak sih? Government make rule kemarin, undang-undang pemberian.
Kayaknya ada deh undang-undangnya. Cuman nggak tahu gimana bunyinya dan apa jeratan pasalnya kayak gimana, I don't know. Di luar dari beggars, homeless or anything in Indonesia, in Jakarta, bantuan itu apa bahasa Inggrisnya guys? Bantuan pemerintah, sembako gitu kan, government assistance, like KJP, Kartu Jakarta Pintar, setiap bulan itu mereka bisa uangkan, and when they are buy food or bahan-bahan pokok mereka sudah beli in their home, sekitar rumah mereka akan jual lagi barang itu dan dijadikan uang. Terus and then when ketika ada kayak petugas yang datang untuk ngecek, mereka copot-copotin tuh AC-nya, TV-nya diumpet-umpetin, semua or anything. And it's funny when in family has 3 children, they have 3 bantuan juga, dapat 3 bantuan dari SD, SMP, SMA, bahkan sampai kuliah pun juga ada dan lumayan besarannya. And this government assistance, bantuan pemerintah itu they are used to pay kontrakan, pay hutang, not to be pendidikan. Jadi menurut aku sistem dari kita aja, dari bantuan pemerintah aja tuh udah salah. Bahkan kayak bansos kemarin juga banyak banget bermasalah, belum yang ditimbun-timbun. Alright.
In Bandung, there are many who abuse card or facility like that. Biasanya tuh yang dapat BLT gitu tuh anak di Pak RT.
Bener.
Yes kan,
terus kayak gitu.
Yang kuliah gitu kayak di kampus aku gitu, mereka tuh biasanya anak-anak ini yang punya cars, yang punya mobil, yang punya tinggal di kayak apartemen gitu. Susah banget pokoknya bedainnya.
Kayaknya sih in my village juga kayak banyak bantuan gitu, subsidi assistance rumah, terus habis itu kan kayak ada watermark gitu kan kalau misalnya dapat dari subsidi gitu kan. Nah, habis subsidinya udah selesai, terus watermarknya itu langsung dicopot-copotin tau. I don't know what about apa yang mereka pikirin. Maybe gengsi kali ya.
Yes, good.
Yeah.
Gengsinya tinggi. Bayar UKT juga pada ini kadang dapat yang kecil-kecil itu, padahal mereka hits banget anak-anaknya.
Miss Hilda juga pasti sering nemu many small children are sent by their mothers to big in Jakarta.
Yeah. And my college went in Malang, Olivia.
Yes.
I am BEM dan saya yang mengurusi itu semua gitu. Dari mulai pengajuan penurunan UKT atau segala macam lah gitu yang berhubungan sama mereka, bahkan bantuan-bantuan lain, dan banyak banget yang kayak kita dapatkan. We are get information about the people. Ternyata pas kita datengin dari jarak yang jauh, and we are
You? Okay. Sorry for the interruption. It was disconnected. Okay. Please continue.
Okay, I will dari beberapa tetangganya gitu, ternyata orang itu rich gitu, orang itu kaya, and the student has new iPhone or anything. Okay guys, topik is getting wider. Kayaknya topik kita udah sangat melebar sekali. Miss.
Yes, how was it?
It's done.
Okay,
Finish,
okay.
Miss.
Oke ya. Untuk sementara Q&A-nya saya perhatikan 50-50. Bahasa Inggris, bahasa Indonesia ya. Nanti untuk kedepannya mungkin bisa lebih siaga. Jadi bermain semua. Ide tetap jalan, kemudian ketika ingin mengungkapkan pakai bahasa Inggris, otomatis kan kita harus ngetik dulu nih, mungkin ngetik satu kata atau dua kata yang mungkin kita tidak tahu. Kalau misalnya harus diketik semua satu kalimat dalam Google Translate pun juga boleh. Toh teman-teman juga sudah terbiasa mengetik dengan cepat, ya. Jadi manfaatnya apa? Siapa tahu nanti dikasih Allah izin, benar-benar bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris beneran, gitu. Walaupun awal-awal ini masih pakai Google Translate, ya. But I know, bayangkan ya, you can imagine ketika komunikasi seperti tadi, pakai bahasa Inggris full, enak kan? Nah, teman-teman ini saya salutnya, alhamdulillah, bagusnya idenya jalan semua. Idenya jalan semua itu maksudnya itu mau ngomong apa itu muncul idenya, ya. Oke. So let's vote whose presentation is the best this night. Whose presentasinya siapa is the best, yang terbaik.
I'm the presentation.
Presentasinya siapa yang
I
bagus?
think Miss Hilda.
Yes,
The best
Hilda.
one.
Miss
Hilda, ya.
Hilda.
Okay. So Miss Hilda, I appreciate how you prepared your presentation and you also shared slides or PowerPoint and you elaborate the idea by giving example or maybe study case, okay? And if you don't mind me giving you suggestion, mungkin untuk lain waktu bisa lebih dijelaskan, ya bisa dijelaskan lebih detail, oke? Maksudnya bisa diceritakan lebih agak panjang sedikit gitu. Oke ya, but anyway it was great. Teman-teman yang lain, kalau misalnya bersedia mempersiapkan presentasi seperti Miss Hilda, mungkin lebih baik kalau misalnya mau apa adanya juga enggak apa-apa, mau presentasi sesimpel mungkin seperti Miss Alivia juga boleh, enggak apa-apa. Kalau misalnya, pokoknya teman-teman jangan merasa tertekan, jangan merasa gimana gitu ya selama belajar dengan saya di kelas ini. Oke ya. Terus kembali saya ingatkan, setiap kali kita kelas, saya kasih waktu teman-teman untuk langsung having small talk. Small talk itu kayak istilahnya tuh kayak basa-basi gitu ya, nyapa dulu. Terus kamu hari ini gimana, hari kamu menyenangkan nggak gitu. Terus kira-kira apa sih yang membuat kamu senang, yang membuat kamu capek apa, ada masalah apa, misalnya share aja nggak apa-apa. Atau kita juga nggak tahu masalah atau sesuatu yang membuat Anda senang itu kan insya Allah masih aman gitu untuk diceritakan ya. Karena kita tidak tahu orang-orang mungkin yang membuat Anda sebel atau membuat Anda senang itu masih aman. Oke ya, anyway, do you have any questions for today?
No, Miss.
No.
Did you enjoy the lesson today?
Yes.
Enjoy,
Did you?
Miss. Yes.
Yes, enjoy.
Alhamdulillah. Oke ya. Alhamdulillah saya senang banget teman-teman bisa masuk semua. Kebanyakan bisa masuk. Semoga untuk next meeting juga teman-teman bisa kompak semua ya. Untuk pertemuan berikutnya kita hari Jumat. And let's see next week, semoga bisa hari Senin, Rabu. Semoga nanti kalau memang terpaksa nggak bisa ya, mungkin kita bisa masih pindah-pindah hari, nggak apa-apa. Oke ya, if you don't have any question, we can call it a day by praying together. Kita berdoa dulu yuk. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Have a nice rest and have a great day tomorrow and the other days. The last I say is Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Welcome.
Thank you, guys.